Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from PBREF 5 with the title Real-Time People Detection Using CNN. Okay. This is our professor and project manager Afdol Zikri, and this is our member team.
My name is Marco.
My name is Muhammad Aziz.
My name is Iqbal Fernandez.
And my name is Bagas Miarif. Okay. This general diffusion. These projects aim to develop an intelligent system that can detect people entering a room and automatically identify them. When someone new enters the room, the system will use facial recognition to say their name. However, if an unknown person enters the room, the system will alert the room owner or security operator. Okay, this is block diagram from real-time person detection. The first phase is data gathering, that collect data of each person to be detected, and the second trend recognition using YOLO, and the third is phase that has been trained, the data can be detected. Okay. This is flowchart. The first flowchart is detection flowchart in general. That in this section, the system will start then open the camera and detect people. And the second, training and testing, the system will load data and test it. And the third is flowchart overall that combine between the first and the second flowchart. Okay, the third is attendance system with face recognition. The system checks someone presence in one place, but not like being absent from school, work, or campus. More precisely to monitor anyone who enters the room. More or less a definition of how it works, the same as our big title, but here we explore further and are really motivated to monitor the situation of a room. Okay, this block diagram from attendance. Like this is like same before, but the difference is the phase 4 that keep track of attendance. Okay,
Okay, next I will mention the functional requirement for our people project. Out of so many data, some of the most important ones is the system must provide login and register pages that are easily accessible by admins. 2 is the system should display real-time detection result in tabular form. And 3 is admin can update the attendance report based on real-time detection result. 4 is the system should be able to detect the registered face of the admin. And the last is the face detection is insufficient or invalid. The system should give a warning or display unknown. Next, there are several non-functional ones, and the most important ones are: 1 is the system shall provide a response in the less than 2 seconds for each action. 2 is dashboard and real-time detection result shall be updated in real time without significant delay. 3 is the user interface should be user-friendly and easily understood by the admin. And the last, the system should be able to integrate with external camera hardware if available. Next this is our use case diagram with its feature including is login and register. 2 is manage dashboard. 3 is manage real time. 4 is manage attendance extended to update attendance. 5 is collect data. 6 real time detection, and last logout. Next is activity diagram. In our activity diagram, it overall explains our business process starting from entering the room, detection, attendance check, and even other business activities until completion.
Okay, so next there is a class diagram. Admin has a relation to interface system, and interface system has a composition to attendance, collect data, dashboard, and real-time detection. Attendance have a relation with real-time and real-time with real-time detection. Next is AR diagram. Real-time has a relation many-to-one to user, and real-time has relation one-to-one to attendance. And next is a sequence diagram. Sequence diagram of real-time detection. When admin enter the room, real-time face detection system will recognize admin, and system will request data to database, and database will return data, and system will compare the real-time face, and system will return the confidence score, and then the system will validate the face, and the system will display admin name, and if admin is unknown, the system will display unknown or warning. And next is relational diagram. There are three tables in this relational diagram with user, real time, and attendance that associated by ID. And there are design UI. There are login and dashboard. To see the design in more detail, you can access the link Figma below.
And now I can take over for the presentation. This is our final design feature. First, we got the login and sign up feature. Here you can see we got the automatic background video, but you can see it because it is not a video. Next, we got a real-time table here. This is one of our main page from attendance, so we can see the real-time detection. Next, we got the dashboard, our main homepage. We can see the statistic here. We can see who has attended here, 50%. Next, we got the main feature of our program, which is detection people in real time. We can see that our project manager Abdul Zikri got detected and got a 0.76 confidence score. Next, we got another main feature, which is collecting data from people. Here you can choose the camera, which is internal or external, and then we can start capture, and then we can get the data in our folder. Next, finally, we can get our AI implementation and frameworks. And old data, our old project, we just use the manual.py and training. But now, we integrated it with our website. We use Flash framework. Here we can use, we can redirect our video and our detection into our website, and we can display it to people. Next, Bagas will take over.
Okay, I will take over the section logbook here. The first is understand the context and map out the technology solution option studied. Continue the analysis section, and the second is editors and PyTT6, editors PyTCC and CV2, and start doing data training on photos, such photo group members, and to make the AI more accurate and detecting, and combine implementation AI Python with website and make manual book and ebook. After that, finalist coding, website, AI document, and report, manual book and ebook. Okay, next. Okay, this is our JobDesk division. It's more or less equivalent to another one like Marco. We do project identification, requirement and diagram, design and UI UX, AI training, and front back end. Okay, like Bagas, Iqbal, Familat, we do as same as Marco do.
Okay, this is all for our presentation today. I got some notes to you too. For our device, we use NVIDIA graphic card. You can use whatever it is, but just make sure to use that if you want to display your video detection. I think that's all for today. Thank you for the attention. This is our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.